In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link your Xbox account to your Steam account step by step. Connecting these two accounts can unlock features in certain games, allow cross-platform progress, and make it easier to access Xbox services while playing on PC through Steam. The entire process only takes a few minutes, and once it's done, you usually won't need to do it again. I'll walk you through everything from installing the Xbox app to confirming the connection with Steam so you can get it working without any confusion. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is install and open the Xbox app on your PC. If you don't already have it installed, simply open the Microsoft Store, search for the Xbox app, download it, and launch it once the installation finishes. The Xbox app is Microsoft's main hub for managing your Xbox account, games, and social features on PC, and it's also where you'll connect external services like Steam. Once the Xbox app opens, sign in using your Microsoft account. This should be the same account you use for Xbox services or your Xbox console. After signing in, you'll see the main Xbox dashboard inside the app. Now, look toward the top or upper corner of the app window and click on your profile icon. When the menu opens, select Settings. This will take you to the Settings panel where you can manage different aspects of your Xbox account. Inside the Settings menu, navigate to the Account section. In this area, you'll find an option called Linked Accounts. This section allows you to connect your Xbox profile with other platforms and services. Click on Linked Accounts to open the list of services that can be connected. Here you should see different platforms that can be linked to your Xbox account. Find and select Steam from the available options. When you click on Steam, the app will prompt you to sign in to your Steam account. A login window will appear asking for your Steam username and password. Go ahead and enter your Steam credentials and sign in. After signing in, Steam will ask you to confirm that you want to link your Steam account with your Microsoft or Xbox account. Review the information shown on the screen and approve the connection. Once you confirm, the two accounts will be linked automatically. After the confirmation finishes, your Steam account should now appear in the linked account section inside the Xbox app. That means the connection was successful. From this point forward, supported games and services may recognize your Xbox account when you're playing through Steam on your PC. If you ever want to unlink the accounts later, you can simply return to the same linked account section in the Xbox app and remove the connection. One quick tip is to make sure both accounts are using the correct region and that you're logged into the correct Microsoft account before linking, since many people accidentally sign in with the wrong one. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully linked your Xbox account to your Steam account. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple gaming and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.